What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about the benefits of mechanical trading. Alright, so the benefits of mechanical trading, and maybe you can see it, but I just got back from holiday, maybe I still have a little bit of a tan, and on holiday I did some reading and it got me thinking about the benefits of mechanical trading, because as you know, if you've been watching my channel for some time, you know I trade mechanically. And the reason being is that it just fits my personality, but there are also other benefits that you might experience if you choose for mechanical trading. So let's start with reason number one, or benefit number one, that you can expect from mechanical trading. And benefit number one is that it just works. It works. If you look at the past at big traders, those big traders always said that if they traded within their rules, they made money, and if they traded without rules or they bent the rules, they lost money. If you read books, if you read interviews with traders in the 90s and even before that, they always tell you that they had a trading system, rule-based, mechanical, and if they followed the system, they made money. And that's what I experience as well in my trading. If I just follow my system, I make consistent money from trading. And it's that simple, but in order for that to work, the system needs to work. And you need to have the discipline to follow the rules. And that's what a lot of people don't have. They don't have a working strategy. And then when they finally get one, maybe they get it from someone else, they don't have the discipline to follow it. So it's always the trader, but it's also the strategy. If one of those isn't working well, you're never going to make money. So that's the benefit of mechanical trading, is that it works, guys. It really does. And I know back in the day when I was learning to trade, I never really saw anyone showing, they showed the strategy, but they never showed any track record or any results. So you were learning from someone that was telling you something, but you never really know, like, if this guy is really making money, if there's any proof. And now I have proof for myself, because I've been profitable for quite some time right now. I have a track record on my website, so people can see that it's possible. And personally, if I saw that, that would really give me like, okay, it is possible. I need to work hard to achieve this. So that's it. That's benefit number one. It just works. If you have a great system and you can develop one yourself, I did that as well. It works, guys. Work on yourself, build a system, and become a profitable trader. So benefit number two of mechanical trading is that you are not in the way. And if you're trading discretionary, even with systematic discretion, you can still get in the way, because you can have emotions, and emotions impact how you trade. There's just no way around it. And if you're trading discretionary, and let's say you didn't sleep well for 5 nights in a row, and your girlfriend is mad at you, that's going to impact you emotionally. You will feel like shit, and then you bring that to your trading. And if you're trading discretionary, you need to be focused on the markets, you need to be in line with the markets to make the right decisions. But because you have shit going on in your personal life, that's going to be very, very hard. With mechanical trading, however, you're just following the rules. The rules every day, they are the same. I have a map here, let me show you. Ta-da, that's the map. It's next to my laptop, and inside the map there are all the rules, and tomorrow the rules are the same, and the day after the rules are the same. So every day I just have to show up, follow the rules, and make money. And if I had a shit night of sleep, or 2 or 3, it doesn't matter, the rules stay the same, and I just follow them. And that's it with mechanical trading. I don't have to think about it anymore. I don't really have to be in line with the charts or with the macroeconomics or whatever is going on, because I have my rules. And I've tested the rules over years and years and years of data and many, many trades. So I know the rules work, and I know that if I follow the rules, that I make consistent money. And that is really the power of mechanical trading. And now that I've been trading this for some time right now, I do add a bit of systematic discretion, but it's because of experience and I've journaled everything. So if you still don't have a strategy, please start mechanical. It builds the habit of following rules, because let's face it, trading is about following rules. A lot of people trade for the freedom, but it is about following rules that work. And true freedom will really never exist. If you're on the beach and you're just eating crap all day and you're like, yeah, but I'm free, I can choose to eat like shit, this and that. Later on, 10 years later, your body will hurt you, or it will stop you from being so free because you eat like shit. So you were free in the beginning, but years later, you're less free. So it's always about rules and choices and sticking with things and following rules. And that's also in trading. So please don't be scared of rules. You need them. You need rules, then you need to test the rules, then you need to execute the rules. That's where your edge can come from. And then of course you need to have the discipline to stick with the rules. And one quick tip I want to give you on discipline is that if you're not disciplined outside of trading, you will never be disciplined with your trading. I said this many times before, I believe. I also spoke about this with other people, and they just lack the discipline. And I'm like, are you disciplined outside of trading? Because when you go by your trading desk, not all of a sudden you will have a switch that goes on and you have a lot of discipline. That's just not how it works. So be disciplined outside of trading. I like to work out a lot. I go to the gym at least 4 times a week. I eat healthy during the day. Around 80 to 90% of what I eat is clean and healthy. And by doing that over and over again, it becomes a habit. But you first need the discipline to follow it. And that's how you build discipline. So find ways to build discipline outside of your trading. That makes it easy to follow your mechanical strategy, and that just makes it easy to make money. So benefit number 3 of a mechanical trading system is that it's easier to improve. And if you're a trader, you always should be improving. And it's not like I have a system and okay, I'm done, I can retire, I just click a button every day and I make money. If that was the case, it would be boring as shit, because I like to keep improving. I like to look for things that I can do to make more money in the long run. I have a journal, I look at my journal, what can I improve? Can my entry be better? Can my stop be tighter? Can my target be bigger? What if I do this? What if I do that? There are so many ways to keep improving your trading, and if your trading is mechanical, it's very rule-based. And because it's rule-based, you can quickly get the data about it, because rules are rules, they're black and white, and then you can quickly see, alright, these rules create this performance, these rules create that performance, and then you can see what you need to do to improve, and then you can test things out. What if I enter at a lower price instead of the breakout entry that I now have? What will that do to my results? Will my win rate go down or up? Will my end goal, my end performance go up or down? So many things to improve. And if it's rule-based, if it's mechanical, it's so much more easy to track it. So that's what I really want to advise you, like, build clean rules, because it just, even if you're a break-even trader, it makes it way easier to go from break-even to slightly profitable if you have those clean rules. So that's it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. 3 benefits of mechanical trading. Number 1, it works. It has worked in the past for a lot of big traders. It still works. I'm an example, but I guess there are plenty more people. Number 2 is that it takes you out of the equation. Of course, you need to have the discipline to follow rules, but it just way more relies on rules instead of what you bring to the table. And then number 3 is it's just easier to improve, because the rules are black and white, so it makes it way easier to put data on it, see which rules work, bend some rules, see the impact, track the impact, and make changes. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.